Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new video. So you guys really enjoyed my last content day video, and yeah, today is another one. So I'm currently on a staycation with my best girl. Anyways, we just decided to book a stay at a very pretty, beautiful location. And you know, as content creators, you don't just book a place without plans. Like, it reminds me of that video that says, "What are we here for? Don't you know what we're here for?" Anyways, I'm currently about to start my makeup. Yeah, my face is still bare. I'm about to start my makeup, obviously by my best girl. You guys should also check out her channel. She creates the best beauty content. I'm going to put her handle wherever, or you're going to see it somewhere, so do check her out. Let's just get started. Honestly, it doesn't really have, this place doesn't have the best lighting, but we're just going to make it work. And I didn't come with extra lighting, but we're going to make it work. So let's get right into the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and join the gang.
If you like a long hot summer breeze, dive into an incredible beat. Hey, with your friends, that's all that you need. If you love the way it makes you feel. Hey, when you feel it, it makes you feel good. Can turn a bad day to the better. Play another tune, it's gonna be alright, don't say never. Friends can change your mood. A little fun tonight lasts forever. Will make you feel so good. If you like a long hot summer breeze, dance into an incredible beat. Hey, with your friends, it's all that you need. If you love the way it makes you feel. If you like to cruise around in the streets, lie by the pool at 90 degrees, going with your friends to catch a movie. If you love the way it makes you feel, put your hands up, say yeah, 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 yeah. Put your hands up, say yeah, 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 yeah. You know when you feel it, I need to get away. You wanna just go and make it better. Grab your phone and say, wanna have a good time all together. Friends can make your day. A little fun tonight lasts forever. Will make you feel okay. If you like a long hot summer breeze, dance into an incredible beat. Hey, with your friends, it's all that you need. If you love the way it makes you feel. If you like to cruise around in the streets, lie by the pool at 90 degrees, going with your friends to catch a movie. If you love the way it makes you feel, yeah, come on, put your hands up, say yeah, 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 yeah. Put your hands up, say yeah, 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 yeah. Put your hands up, say yeah, 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 yeah. Put your hands up, say yeah, 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 yeah. Hey, when you feel it, makes you feel good. Can turn a bad day to the better, and make you feel good. If you like a long hot summer breeze, dance into an incredible beat. Hey, with your friends, it's all that you need. If you love the way it makes you feel. If you like to cruise around in the streets, lie by the pool at 90 degrees, going with your friends to catch a movie. If you love the way it makes you feel.
Hi guys, so my makeup is done and we're just trying to move things around so I can shoot. This is my first look. A little cute bow detail. My sister is in the background. We're just trying to move things around so we can get going. so we can get started. Guys, my dress is so pretty, so cute. Shooting a short reel for Instagram and also a TikTok video and YouTube, obviously. So let's go. Are you ready?
Hi.
Yeah, I am. Hey guys, so this is look number 3. This is some real life BTS behind the scene, and this look is so cute. I don't know if you guys can see my sunglasses. I don't know, but anyways, I totally love the look. Let's just roll right into it. Guys, so this is the 4th look. This is such a cute dress. Fun fact, I made this dress myself. I'm still going to make a video showing you guys everything I've made so far this year for myself, by myself, and I love this dress. It's such a cute one, and I'm about to create like a little reel for Instagram, so let's just jump right into it. I mean, it's so cutesy. It's very demure. It's very mindful, and I love it. Hi guys. So this is look number 5. This is quite. Sorry, let me just adjust you guys. This is look number 5, and I'm just about to shoot this one, so let's just get right into it. Guys, I love my bag. Let me show you guys up close. I got it from an Instagram store. It's so beautiful, and I don't know if you guys can see my shoe, a new shoe. Looking amazing. Love it, guys. So I think this is look number 6, 7. Number 7. I can't even keep count. This is the look. Just this animal print 2-piece, paired it with red pumps and yeah, red bag. Totally in love. So I'm about to make like a reel for Instagram. Yeah, that's the full look. Okay guys, I look so funny right now because I'm trying to shoot a transition, so I literally have to stand and then we're going to place something under my feet so I can start the next clip exactly where I was standing. So yeah, that's basically it. So I'm going to quickly change and we'll complete the video. I'm almost done for the day. Hey guys, so I'm done for the day. As you guys can see, the lighting is already dull. No, you can come out. So I just want to take some pictures for my sisters, and me personally, I'm done. I wanted to shoot 9 looks, but I was only able to do 7, and I think I really tried because I started around 10. That was when I started doing my makeup and all that. So yeah, I'm done for today, and I think it was a good shoot day. Every single video that I shot today was on point. So I'm just going to chill, go down to the poolside and just have a chill evening. Then tomorrow is our checkout time. And yeah, you can come out. You're doing good. I need you to help me get something to lunch. Okay. So anyways, don't forget to like. Thank you so much for watching my video. Yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Guys, I'm so exhausted and I love you guys for sticking with me. See you in my next video. Bye.